America's railroads. Who needs them? The man who has a special on cantaloupes this week. The man who builds a house you can buy without going to the poorhouse. The lady who prices her glassware so it doesn't break you. All the businesses you do business with. Where would most of them be without railroads to deliver the goods at the lowest cost? Out of business. America without railroads, we can't afford that. But if railroads are just allowed to do business like any other business, with up-to-date regulations and fair taxation, then they'll always deliver the goods. America's railroads. Who needs them? You do. We all do.